5 minutes.
5 minutes.
You didn't kill anyone sneaking in here? Didn't hurt anybody?
Didn't have to.
You look terrible.
Yeah. But I feel good.
So talk. Why are you here?
It's over. And I needed a proper goodbye. Not our last phone call.
You're going to the police?
They'll be coming to me.
Walt, if you're in custody and they find out, what's to stop them from not coming back here? The men you used to work with? When I still had the house, 3 men came in the middle of the night wearing masks. They threatened Flynn, Holly, and me, telling me not to talk about the woman I saw at the car wash. If you're in custody and they know
They're
it...
They're not coming back. Not after tonight.
What's tonight? Walt, we don't want your money. I thought Flynn made that perfectly clear.
He did. And I don't have any to give you. I spent the last of it getting here. All I have for you is this.
Is this a joke?
Once I leave, call the DEA. Tell them I was here, that I forced my way in. Tell them I wanted to have bacon and eggs on my birthday and to see my daughter. And that I gave you that ticket. The numbers are GPS coordinates.
To where?
A burial site. That's where they'll find Hank and Steve Gomez. It's where I buried our money. The men who stole it, the men who have it now, they murdered Hank and Steve. They put them in that hole. Trade that for a deal with the prosecutor. Get yourself out of this. Skylar, all these things I did, you need to understand why I did them.
Oh, God. If I have to hear one more time how you did it all for the family.
I did it for me. I liked it. I was good at it. I was really. I was alive.
Flynn will be coming home soon. You don't want him finding you here.
Before I go, may I see her?